Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shut down your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any iPhone you have using a couple different methods. So let's get started. The first and the simplest method is going to be using your volume up and the side button at the same time. What we want to do is hold on the volume up, which is right under the action button, and the side button for about a few seconds simultaneously, and that will bring up a menu where you can simply slide to power off, basically shutting it down. Now that's going to be method number one. Method number two is you can actually go into your setting on your iPhone and then go to general and then scroll down where it says shutdown. It'll bring up the same exact menu where you can simply slide completely to shut it down. Now another method is if you have Siri enabled under Siri, Hey Siri, or any of this option, you can actually issue a command, something of this nature. Hey Siri, shut down my iPhone. Yes. And basically Siri will ask you to confirm, and once you confirm, Siri can go ahead and shut down your iPhone as well. Any of these methods will work. Usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds to shut it down completely, and you might be wondering how to turn it back on or start it again. To do that, all you do this time is just hold on to the side button until you see the Apple logo appear, just like this. And if that doesn't work for you, you can also connect it to a charger. When the phone is shut down, it'll automatically turn back on whenever it's connected to a power source. So that's how you can shut down your iPhone 16 Pro Max. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.